In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add videos to your call to action CTAs. To get started, open your browser, head to Google, and type HubSpot. Click the official HubSpot site and sign in to your account. Make sure you're in the correct portal and that you have permission to edit CTAs. Once you're in, move your mouse to the left sidebar to reveal the main tools, then go to Marketing and open CTAs. This brings you to the CTAs dashboard, where you can see your existing calls to action. Find the CTA you want to work on and open it. If you manage a lot of CTAs, use the search or filters to locate it quickly. Inside the CTA editor, it's time to add a module. Look to the left panel, find the video module, and drag it onto the layout exactly where you want the video to appear on your CTA. Think about placement here. Above the fold positions typically draw more attention, but make sure the video supports your message and doesn't crowd your primary button. Click the video module you just placed to open its settings. You'll be asked to choose a video type, embed or HubSpot video. Embed lets you paste a link or code from platforms like YouTube or Vimeo. HubSpot video stores and serves the file from your HubSpot account, which can simplify analytics and give you more control within the editor. For this tutorial, select HubSpot Video. Click Upload, browse your computer, and choose the video you want to insert. While the file uploads and processes, keep file quality and load time in mind. Short, focused clips often perform best in a CTA. After the upload completes, select the video to attach it to the module. With the video in place, check the preview in the editor. If configuration options are available, confirm the thumbnail, size, and basic playback behavior so the video looks clean and aligns with your brand. Make sure the text and button around it remain clear and accessible. When you're happy with the setup, go to Review and Publish. Preview on desktop and mobile, then publish to apply your changes. Your CTA now includes a video that's ready to engage visitors. After it's live, monitor performance and iterate.